can run this experiment in two modes, that is panel mode and PC mode. Press back button to select the control mode as panel, and by pressing menu button we can move forward in PC mode. Select main experiment as far field pattern, experiment as copolarization, type of antenna is wire type, and name of RX antenna is linear dipole. After making this selection, click on start, then a small window will appear saying, do you want to start this experiment? Click on OK. Afterward, a screen will show the properties of selected antenna. Then click OK. And the rotation of receiver antenna will get started. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to show polar plot. So this is the polar plot of linear dipole antenna. You can see this graph in Cartesian form. Go to plot Cartesian graph. So this is Cartesian graph. Here you can see the power and angle. You can see the variation in power at different position on graph. Maximum power you can get by placing M2 on P max, and minimum power you can get by placing M1 on P minimum. So here is the angle and here is power. Go to measurement. From here you can choose parameter which you wanted to be calculated. As you click on these options, you will see the frequency and the formula related to it and this calculation. By clicking on this, you can see 3D effect of Cartesian plot. This is, you can see this in 3-dimensional by just rotating it. Save this image. Click on back. You can save this reading in polar plot. Go to polar plot data. Here just put linear dipole polar plot. Save this. So we're done with the first experiment. Now take Yagi 5 antenna as receiver. Select main experiment as far field pattern. Then choose null and side lobe as experiment. Type of antenna should be wire antenna. Name of RX antenna is Yagi 5 element. Then click on start. Click OK. OK. And the rotation of receiver antenna is started. You can see the processing bar here. This is polar plot we get from Yagi 5 antenna. Go to Cartesian graph. Click on 3D. You will see this 3D graph of Yagi 5 antenna. Save this image and back. Take planar antenna as receiver. Now take planar antenna as receiver. For planar antenna, select main experiment as far field pattern, experiment as null and side lobe, type of antenna is planar, and the name of RX antenna is annular ring. Click on start. OK. And this is the information of selected antenna. Click on OK. And the rotation of Receiver antenna is getting started. Cartesian graph.